Hello there, welcome to this video. In today's video, we have this question which says numerator 7 minus 5 brackets open, 7 minus 5 brackets closed. So the first expression is multiplying the second one, all divided by 7 minus 5. This is a fraction, so we solve the numerator and denominator separately. By doing that, we will take the denominator, which is 7 minus 5, giving us 2. With the numerator, we follow the almighty PEMDAS rule. So we have 7 minus 5, which is in parentheses. That alone also gives us 2. And now 7 minus 5 times 2 is what is left. Because there is multiplication before subtraction, we are going to multiply 5 times 2. So now we get 10. So 7 minus 10 gives us -3. So that's for the numerator. So putting it together, let me change. We have this and that. So we have our final answer to be -3 divided by 2, because the numerator is -3 and the denominator is +2. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Have a nice day.